It happens every time, and it will happen in construction business. So don't do that. Stay in your lane. Number two, and this is a little more complicated, you've got to use a siloing approach to your business. So if you are doing residential and commercial, have two different businesses that are doing it. Don't do them in the same LLC. Have two. They could be managed by one LLC, but have those two things in separate LLCs. And then here's the third part of that is if you own a shop and heavy equipment and things, don't have them owned by any of your operating businesses. Have them owned by a separate company that leases or rents them to your operating businesses. Here's why. 4 years ago, client comes in. He's in the building business and has a client come to him with a job that he wants built. It's a little different than he did before because usually he would do design built, and this time the guy's brought him the plans and wants him to build it just like this, and it's kind of really an interesting project. And he's like, that's close enough to what I do, and I see some money there. He takes it. I mean, by the first day after they sign the contract, changes start coming, and changes keep coming, and the customer's never happy with it. And you end up, when you get into the design specs, it's not really buildable the way he wanted it. It's not going to work. But because he hadn't designed it himself, he let the customer do it. You build this thing that's a monstrosity that won't hold itself up.